What up, YouTube? This is the Young Chevy Truck YouTube channel where I built a 1984 Chevy C10 truck that just burns rubber, ain't meant to be fast, and it's only meant to be fun for you. And in this episode, I got to actually drive an LS swapped truck for my first time, and it was like really cool. It was a whole different experience to be behind the wheel of something that's old everywhere else but new under the hood. I guess you can't really say new, but basically to have something that's old but has all that new tech in it. That's the first time I've ever experienced something like that, and I just thought it was really dope. And I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Make sure you go subscribe to the Whitlock Garage YouTube channel. I'll put it right down here, as always, and I'll also put the link down in the description. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll go ahead and cut to that footage.
How many miles have you put on the rear end since you've...
500.
Okay, so we're right there.
Just the bare minimum.
Yeah, because you did break in and then change the diff fluid before you came over here, right?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It works.
He's doing it right. This thing's bad. Let's pile it.
Let me move it out. I'm a valet parker.
You want to move it out? You want to back it out?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Give me the camera.
I'll do it.
Get in the... It's nothing, dude. It's not radical at all.
I'll still get up there in the spot.
You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to line
All
it
you
up.
want to do, you want to just turn the wheel a little bit more straight, and your dad will watch you over there. And I'm going to film you.
Alright, cool. Can I roll the window down?
Yes, you can.
I wish I had these.
Stone, what you doing getting in my truck, man?
What you mean, your truck?
Teddy, welcome a new visitor.
Oh wow!
Dude,
so
this looks awesome.
So you pull it up and then it.
Yeah.
That is so cool. Oh my God, Kevin Dean. Future projects, Kevin Dean.
Now, right?
It's down there on the. So just let the fuel pump come on. Now give it a little. All right. It's real quiet.
This thing is too cool.
All right, so.
Oh, I love this.
This doesn't work.
Yeah,
the indicator. So you're gonna have to pull pretty hard, and you only just want to slide down one. There you go. Now you're in reverse. Just straighten up the wheels a little bit. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right, that's good. That's good. Come on back. There you go.
I love this thing already. Yeah.
Yeah. Once you just slide over, and I'll let you get a feel for this. Bad boy.
Oh yeah.
This thing is nice. This is like serious daily driver status right here.
Except it has no AC.
Hey.
You know, it still needs a lot.
Hey, I live the life, all right? I know. I live it.
I have not driven this thing.
Really? In a minute?
There we go.
Sounds good though. You said it was really quiet. It's
much quieter on the outside.
Yeah.
I mean, once I get a cam in it, that's gonna make all the difference.
Oh Lord.
These things will wake up. I'm not putting a big cam in it.
Yeah.
But I do. I've been looking at that. I think it's a Howard's Rattler cam. And it makes it sound a little bit more like a small block. Get a lot of that clutch fan noise right here on startup. That'll go away here in just a second.
Well, let me put my seatbelt on.
You can. You got a 3-point harness over there.
What?
Yeah, you got like. So I put those in here because I drive it so far.
I'm telling you, y'all, Whitlock Garage is tactical, man. I'm telling you.
This truck is all about being as safe as possible because I drive it so much. And I drive it around town a little bit, but literally I will get in this thing and drive, 1,000 miles at a time. So it is, it's meant to be driven. So it's got power steering, it's got the LS setup, it's got, a good fuel system, and 3-point harnesses.
1968.
Yeah,
Wow.
So it's a truck that is meant to be driven. I do love the sound of these mufflers.
It sounds really good.
I want to ultimately go with electric fan, so I don't have that sort of revved up sound when it's cool, or when it's not warm enough yet. I need to add some sway bars. I ultimately want to bag it.
Yeah. That would be cool.
Yeah.
To get to the point where it like sits on the ground when it's parked, or just to have the comfort of raising it a little bit.
It would probably be, you know, a couple of inches lower all the way around if it was fully aired out.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I want to build a truck that lays rocker. You know, that's a full, you know, whether it's porter build or GSI suspension or something like that. But there's a lot you got to do. You got to do new inner fenders. You got to do new hood hinges. You got to raise the bed floor. I mean, it takes a ton to get to that level. And this thing is still running around on a base tune, so I don't have it. I have no performance tune on it. It's essentially what PSI sent me is what we're riding around on. So my point about really it's still running around on a base tune is that my transmission shift points aren't even in the right place. So it takes, so first and second feels good, second and third is kind of like, ugh.
Yeah.
Unless you're in it, and then you kind of get, you know, you get a little bit more out of it if you're in it. But
yeah, with my transmission, basically, not bad. But with the truck, it basically has the same setup as a Chevelle. So it's got the TH400, and then it has the kick down switch that operates with like an electrical switch right on the pedal.
yeah.
So when you floor it, then it's supposed to send 12 volts to the transmission, and then it kicks it down all the way to the lowest possible gear.
I'm turning around right here. Okay.
And I don't necessarily like that system, I won't lie. I might want a manual valve body in the truck.
Yeah.
Not bad though.
Not bad at all.
Yeah.
Man, this Joker is planted though. I've got this weight in the rear.
Yeah.
It's heavy wheels. This thing just wants to scoot. Get it over here on a little wet spot and see what I can do. We'll just stop right here in front of the cops.
Yeah, we're rolling.
That'll be a field day. We didn't just get one, but we got 3 of them. I love this thing.
I like this truck too.
It's really nice to see like the older generation, because I've never ridden in an older generation truck like this.
Oh really?
It's my first time.
Oh man, that's awesome. I'm not even sure it spun a single
It
thing.
did. I had
Did
to.
it?
It had to.
I'm not sure it was or not. If it was or not.
I think it did.
It's rolling though.
It was so clean though.
Joker was
All
ready.
done on a closed course.
What's
Yeah, it was
sad?
very clean.
What's sad is all my viewers know this little course. They're like, that ain't no closed
That ain't
course. Yeah, I am thrilled to know this is your first ride in this generation truck.
Because it's really cool. It makes me want one.
Yeah, I mean, there is the interior, very primitive, you know, super basic.
Yeah.
Even on the higher model trucks, I mean, this is still, you know, they're still kind of have the same feel. I wonder if we did this. Hey, your truck.
No,
Probably, yeah.
Go check your fluids on the way home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially transmission.
Here.
But I knew it was leaking anyway. So.
Brought my camera. That's probably a pretty good picture right there.
Yeah.
You ready to drive this thing?
Of course.
All right, let's do it.
If you insist.
So you're not spinning.
Nah.
Yeah, we're just we just driving this bad boy today. It's not gonna sling anything around. You gotta let me slide in there.
Still functioning on no brake suspension.
Just get my things done. I
It
gotta
feels
get
like
done.
it feels like a new truck.
Yeah.
It really does. Like
Does it feel heavy?
it does feel a little heavy.
Oh, and you want to get used to those brakes for sure.
No.
Because they are, you know, you're stopping a lot of weight rolling down through here.
Trust me. If anybody knows.
This is kind of crazy looking at this, but you're in my truck. That's awesome.
Oh, this thing is nice. Oh God, you're gonna make me LS swap something.
And smooth. That's the word I keep coming up with.
All right, you
Smooth.
want to make sure you get this thing stopped by the end of this hill. I think you can. It's weird sitting over here.
You scaring me now.
No, I'm good.
Know what to being able to stop. We rode that truck for forever with no brakes, and then when we got the rear end done, the guy said, "Hey, I'm in here. You want me to do these rear brakes while we're at it?"
Yeah.
So we went out and got him the brakes, and he did it. And oh my God, when we brought the truck back home, it's like we can stop it now.
Yeah.
It has brakes finally.
Well, this one stopped real well until I put the. So you feel that in the trans right there?
Yeah.
Did you feel kind of where it hesitated and then it wants to? That's that second to third feel. But
It still rides very, very nicely.
Doesn't it? Yeah.
For a truck of its age.
and to be so low.
Yeah.
So help me do the math. 68 would make it how many years old? 50 years old?
51.
Wow.
Yeah. And we're just rolling this thing.
That rides smoother than my truck.
You think so?
Yeah, definitely.
It must have left right here.
Could be the heavy. It might be the heavy that's helping it ride.
Yeah, I mean this truck weighs a ton too, even though it's a stripper, truck. There's not a whole lot going on with it. It's a basic truck. But yeah, they're heavy. Next time you come, I'll have it a little bit more prepared, or we can sling it around or something.
Oh no, I mean, this is a cruiser, so I'm cruising. That's a tire burner, so you burn some tires.
That's right.
It's fair.
So let's put this thing back in the carport at Whitlock Garage. You can just pull straight on in there. Oh, you're good, right there.
But you saw that, I was like, yeah.
Oh yeah, that ain't it.
That ain't there.
Keys down here on the dash.
Wow.
And you can just leave it right there.
This thing is.
Actually, you want to come back one.
Now there's
more.
something's turned on.
There you go.
There we go.
This is awesome.
Kill the battery.
I'm about to go broke. I'm about to go get one.
You can just leave those keys in here. Just throw them up on the dash.
Okay. See, I can't do that with mine because it'll fall through.
And you'll never see him again.
That is
Never
true.
see him again.
What you think about that?
Oh, you got my keys, Dad?
I do.
Oh, I forgot. I was driving another truck, so I started to forget about my own for a little bit. But I love it. I love it. I think it's nice.
I appreciate it, man.
It's nice.
It's a lot of fun.
It's dialed. Like, that's the thing. Like, it's really dialed. Like, it probably doesn't seem that way to you because, you have it and you know all of its issues, but
Yeah.
it runs very nice. It runs like a new truck.
Well, I appreciate that, man.
I've driven plenty of 2005 Tahoes at my job, and they all feel like the same general feel as this thing, which is a compliment since it's 50 years old. Yeah.
Well, we paid a lot of attention to the things that we were doing to it. Like I said, it needs a lot more, but everything that's done to this truck is very specific to our goal, which was to be able to drive it as long and as far as we could. So that's what we do. This thing gets a lot of use. You can see that there's a cooler in the back, and that actually is doesn't even serve the purpose of a cooler. Basically, just put tools down in there, keeps them dry, and so we do do a lot of things that just make it roadworthy and make it easy to use when you're out on the road. So next time you see it, it won't have all this junk in the back of it from my move. So.
Yeah, I mean, it's a fresh move. I mean, it was the first collaboration, first bit of content.
Yeah, this is the first thing I filmed at this house.
Okay, except for the move, right?
Except for the move, which was only just a minute of us pulling in the garage or pulling in the carport, and then I filmed a small segment here in the Dooley video. Which, if you haven't watched the Dooley video, I'm gonna plug my own video on his channel, but. We bought a dually recently and did something really stupid, probably the biggest mistake we've ever made, messing with a truck. So you want to check out that video. I think it's called Trouble with a Square Body Dually.
Yeah,
it's on my channel.
We'll put it link in the description. It's fair. It's fair. I already got one link in there. Might as well add another one in there.
You gotta sprinkle them in there.
Yeah, sprinkle them in there.
All right.
Go subscribe to Whitlock Garage, y'all. He does awesome content with his with all of his trucks, really. Honestly, this is definitely his pride and joy. I can tell. This is like most of your content comes from this one right here.
Yep.
The flagship whip of.
That's right. The flagship whip of Whitlock Garage. That's exactly right. Yeah, I mean, this is what gave me the confidence to turn on the camera and start showing my viewers and hopefully your viewers what it looks like to work on a truck like this. I mean, this truck gave me the confidence to do that. I'd never filmed anything before, and turned on the camera, pointed it toward this truck, and it's been a fun 6 months, with our YouTube channel. So we're really pumped about it.
And the behind the scenes, you said that you saw my video of driving the truck. When I first drove that truck over there.
Yep.
You saw that video before
I started the YouTube channel.
you started the YouTube channel.
So inspiration for the YouTube channel came a lot from what you were already doing on the Young Chevy Truck YouTube channel.
Which is crazy.
Another friend of mine who inspired me was John Wargo. So he's got a great YouTube channel. I was searching around when I was about to buy my crew cab truck and ran across this channel, and then it got me looking around watching C10 stuff, and I was like, Stone's got a great thing going with this Young Chevy Truck channel, and I was like, you know what? Maybe I could, highlight some of the stuff I'm doing.
And here
we are. Yeah, here we are collaborating. 6 months into my channel, standing in my driveway, and we're gonna be doing a lot more. I'm gonna head over to Stone's house, and we're gonna collab some more and turn some wrenches.
Yeah, cool.
And maybe do some sliding and some burnouts.
There we go.
Just a little bit.
Sprinkling. Yeah.
But make sure you guys go and subscribe to the homie, Whitlock Garage. I'll put it right down here. I'll let you do that. You'll put it right down here.
Put it right down here. Whitlock Garage. Put it right here across my hand.
There you go. Make sure y'all go subscribe, man. Really dope dude. Really dope truck. It's really dialed though. That's the thing. It's like he won't tell you, but I swear this thing is dialed. It's an awesome car to drive for sure. It feels new. It feels like it came out in 2005. Seriously, it's dope. But I hope you guys enjoyed this nice little set of videos, man. Like I said, go subscribe to Whitlock Garage. I will see you in the next one, and have a good one.